Hi, this is Abid Hussain Malik from Abid Financials. Today we are going to start Adobe Photoshop Certification Exam 2026 graphic design skills, and we are going to discuss 20 practice exam questions with correct answers and explanation. Let's start. Question number 1. Which tool allow you to select a rectangular area in Photoshop? Option A, lasso tool. Option B, marker tools. Option C, magic wand, and option D, pen tools. Correct option is option B, that is marker tool. This marker tool is used for making geometric selections such as rectangle and ellipses. Question number 2. What is standard resolution for web-based image? Option A, 150 ppi. Option B, 300 ppi. Option C, 72. Option D, 600. Correct option is option C, that is 72 ppi. 72 ppi is a traditional standard resolution for web and digital screen displays. Question number 3. Which color mode is best for professional printing? Option A, RGB. Option B, CMYK. Option C, grayscale. And option D, lab color. Correct option is option B, CMYK. CMYK is the standard color mode for commercial offset printing. Question number 4. How do you non-destructively hide a part of a layer? Option A, eraser tool. Option B, layer mask. Option C, delete key. Option D, flatten image. Correct option is option B, layer mask. Layer mask hide pixel without deleting them, allowing for fully non-destructive editing. Question number 5. Which file format support transparency and is the best for web logos? Option A, JPEG. Option B, BMB. Option C, PNG. And option D, TIFF. Correct option is option C, PNG. PNG supports alpha transparency, making it ideal for logos and web graphics with transparent background. Question number 6. What does opacity control in a layer? Option A, the layer color. Option B, layer transparency. Option C, the layer size. And option D, layer sharpness. Correct option is option B, that is layer transparency. Opacity controls how transparent a layer is and how much of the layers underneath show off. Question number 7. Which keyboard shortcut is used to undo the lost action? Option A, Control S. Option B, Control V. Option C, Control Z, or Command plus Z on Mac. And the option D, Control T. Correct option is option C, that is Control Z. Control Z is a universal shortcut for undo. Question number 8. What is kerning in typography? Option A, space between lines. Option B, space between specific letters pairs. Option C, the overall space in a block of text. And option D, the thickness of font. Correct option is option B, that is space between specific letter pairs. Kerning is the adjustment of a space between two individual characters. Question number 9. Which panel allows you to track and return to previous step in your project? Option A, layers panel. Option B, property panel. Option C, history panel. Option D, channels panel. Correct option is option B, that is history panel. Explanation. History panel records every action and lets you step back to previous steps. Question number 10. What is a smart object? Option A, a layer that cannot be edited. Option B, a layer that preserves source content with all its original characters. Option C, a layer that uses AI. And option D, a locked layer. Correct option is option B, a layer that preserves source content with all its original character. Explanation. Smart objects allow non-destructive scaling, transforming, and filtering while preserving original data. Question number 11. Which tool is best for moving unwanted object from a photo by blending them with the surrounding? Option A, clone stamp. Option B, content aware fill. Option C, gradient tool. Option D, blur tool. Correct option is option B, content aware fill. This is intelligently used to surrounding pixel to fill in selected area. Question number 12. What happens when you flatten an image? Option A, the file size increase. Option B, all visible layers are merged into one. And option C, the image becomes 3D. Option D, the resolution is halved. Correct option is option B, that is all visible layers are merged into one. Explanation: flattening merges all the visible layers into a single layer and discard the hidden layers. Question number 13. Which adjustment layer is best for correcting overall color balance for an image? Option A, levels, and option B, color balance, option C, hue saturation, and option D, brightness and contrast. Correct option is option B, that is color balance. Explanation: color balance specifically adjusts the mix of colors. Question number 14. What is the purpose of lasso tools? To draw the straight lines, to make freehand selections. Option C, to paint colors, and option D, to crop the canvas. Correct option is option B, that is to make freehand selection. The lasso tool allows freehand drawing of selection borders. Question number 15. What is leading in text? Option A, the space between characters. Option B, the space between lines of text. Option C, the alignment of text. Option D, the color of text. Correct option is option B, the space between lines of text. Explanation: leading is the vertical space between lines of text. Question number 16. Which tool samples pixels from one part of an image and paints them onto another? Option A, the brush tool. Option B, clone stamp tool. Option C, history brush. And option D, dodge tool. Correct option is option B, that is clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool duplicates specific area of an image. Question number 17. What is the difference between vector and raster image? Option A, vector is made of pixel. Option B, vector is made of path. And option C, where vector images are always black and white. And option D, raster image cannot be resized. Correct option is option B, vector is made of path, raster is made of pixel. Explanation: vector graphics use scalable mathematical path, raster image use the fixed grids of pixel. So number 18. Which tool is used to lighten pixel in a specific area? Option A, burn tool. Option B, dodge tool. Option C, smudge tool. And option D, sharpen tool. Correct option is dodge tool. Dodge tool lightens area of an image. This is an explanation. Question number 19. In Photoshop, what is the PSD file? Option A, flatten image for the web. Option B, Photoshop native layer file format. Option C, a video file. And option D, a print ready PDF. Correct option is option B, Photoshop native layer file format. Explanation: PSD is the Photoshop a native format that preserves layers, mask and editable data. The last question, that is question number 20. How do you change the canvas size without resizing image content? Option A, image and image size, image and canvas size, edit and transform, and file and new. Correct option is option B, image and canvas size. Explanation: canvas size changes the work area independently of the image content.